Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Zoom meetings step by step clearly. Open your Zoom application on your desktop or mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Schedule a new meeting or join an existing one. Before starting the meeting, ensure you have the necessary permissions to record. If you are the host, you can record the meeting. If you are not the host, request permission to record from the host. Once in the meeting, look for the record button at the bottom of the Zoom window. Click on the record button to start recording. You may have the option to record to your computer or to the cloud. Select your preferred recording option. As the meeting progresses, Zoom will automatically record both audio and video. If you need to pause the recording, find and click the pause button. To resume recording, click on the resume button. When the meeting is over or you wish to stop recording, click the stop button. After stopping, Zoom will process the recording. You will receive a notification once the recording is saved. If recorded to your computer, locate the file in the designated Zoom folder. If recorded to the cloud, you can access it through your Zoom account online. Review the recording for accuracy and completeness. Share the recording link or file as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.